Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and tap on more security and privacy, and here we have to scroll down again to find credential storage. As you can see, at the bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so remove all user certificates. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Confirm it with the pattern if you've got one. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.